Hi everyone, today we are continuing the look that we started last time. So naturally Simona's foundation is already done. A while back we did a beauty shoot where I used Natasha Denona's Holiday 2017 palettes, and it came out so beautifully that we've decided to play with it again today. I'm going to link the photo shoot down below if you want to have a look, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. The Roaccutane tends to make your eyes quite red, and we're just counteracting that by applying an eye primer to even out the skin tone. The eye itself is also quite dry and agitated, but at least this will take away some of the redness. So I'm starting off with this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, and it's burnt terracotta. I actually like to place the product where I want it and then blend it out later. That is not normally how I go about doing eyeshadow, but I find with this palette it works best. I'm creating a halo effect, so I'm focusing the product on the inner and outer corner of the eye, and then I'll use a different color to blend them together. You are trying to leave the space in the center of the eyelid open. This also makes the eyes look bigger, but we're not going for the typical halo today. I am going to go for something slightly different. Using the peach gold color from the Joya palette, I am just blending out the inner and outer corner and also joining them together. Instead of using a lighter color for my halo eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the red Grape from the Joya palette. For my feline flick, I'm just mapping out the shape. I'm going quite bold and extended with this to complement this colorful eyeshadow. Now I'm just taking my time and making sure that I have the perfect shape that I want. And then afterwards you go back in to perfect it and make sure that it's a graphic straight line. I'm also making sure that I'm keeping it very close to the lashes. Now I'm taking the same burnt terracotta color underneath the eye as well. Simona's eyes are quite sensitive, so I will be doing the mascara off camera. With both eyes done, I'm just going back in with my cream blush, and we did that previously in the previous video that I'm linking down below, but I'm just enhancing that a little bit more. Roaccutane can leave your lips looking and feeling very dry, so I'm just using a little bit of that cream blush to add some color, and then I'm also just adding another layer of lip balm to make sure that it doesn't get any more dry.